Okay, let's do problem 13 Roman to integer. So we do know basic Roman to integer conversion. So we are given these Roman symbols, and what we need to do is there are two cases. For example, we have xii, so that is 12. So and the number in front of it should be greater than the number behind it. So there would be 10, there would be 1, and there would be 1, so we just simply add them up. But if it was ix, so the number in front of it is smaller than the number after it, so in that case we have to take that away from this number, so it will become 9. So the logic is pretty simple. We just need to have one loop, one for loop, and what we're going to do is if the current character is smaller than the next character, what we need to do is there will be some sum, so we just need to take away the current number from the sum, and else we just do as normally, we add the current number to the sum. But the thing is the current character is not a number, so we can't really add them up. So there should be one method, I'm just going to call it converter. So it's going to take in this current character, and we are going to have we can have either if else statement, or we can have a switch. So we can just say if switch case I return 1. So that's how we are going to do it. So let's put them in code. So we do need int sum equals 0, and then we are going to have int length equals s dot length, and then we're going to do one loop, int I equals 0, I is less than length, and I plus plus. And if the current element, the current letter is smaller than the next, so we do need a method. What should we call it? We are gonna call Roman to int converter, and then we're gonna take in character Roman, and we're gonna have a simple switch statement that has the following case. Okay, I'm gonna make this general one. There are 7 of them. So if it's I, we return 1. If it's V, we return 5. It's X, we return 10. If it's L, we return 50. If it's C, we return 100. If it's D, we return 500. If it's M, we return 1000. And we obviously have to have a default which is going to return 0. I mean, obviously this default won't be propped because all the character that is in Roman will be a Roman numeral. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the current character. So if the current number, so this will give the current number at start car at I. If it's going to give the current number, if it's smaller than start car at the next number. If the current number is smaller than the next number, we are going to take away the current number from the sum, and else we are going to add the current number to the sum. But there should be one thing to be careful of, because we are comparing with the next element. When we get to the last element, there isn't the next element, so we should say I is less than length -1, because there isn't any number after the last element. Let's have a look. We get the current number and compare with the next number. If so, okay, let's run the test. Silly mistake, we have to return some. Keep making silly mistakes. Alright, test has passed. Let's submit. Good. 3 milliseconds, bits 80%. Okay, let's have a look at the quicker solution. Okay, this implementation is the same, but it seems like they hard coded. So I'm actually happy with my result because I don't like hard coding. Alright, so that's it.